Hello again, I'm Mr. Dady, and today we're going to talk about special cases with equations. In particular, infinite solution, no solution, and one solution. An example of each of these, a basic example. So when you have an infinite solution, it'll look like x equals x, or 5 equals 5. It's almost a mirror image across the equal sign. That's exactly what it is. So what you have on one side, you'll have on the other side. So it doesn't matter what you plug in, you're going to get an answer out. So every number there is a solution. When you have a no solution, that would look something like this. Right? -2 can never equal 5. So if this is your solution that you get, it's impossible. Same thing here. 3 can never equal 6, ever. So what that means is there is no solution for this problem at all. Infinite solution, every number is. No solution, no number is. And the last one is the one you've been dealing with so far, is one solution. That's your ones that look like x equals 6 or x equals 0. Now what I get a lot of times here is when you get x equals 0, you automatically think that it's a no solution. This happens every time I teach this. 0 is still a number. If you get 0, it's just your answer. All right, so don't think as soon as you get, oh, x equals 0, no solution. Oh, infinite solution, it's everything. All right, think about it. Now I'm going to go over an actual example of each one as you're solving it. So the first one I'll do is infinite solution. So I have 2x plus 10 equals 2, then in parentheses x plus 5. So the first thing I have to do here is distribute the 2. So I get 2x plus 10 on one side, I have 2x plus 10 on the other side. Right? So you can already see, I told you if it's a mirror image, the x and the x. But if you'd like to solve it out, just make sure the x's go away, subtract 2x, and you get 10 equals 10. That is an infinite solution. So to show you that this is true, I will plug in two numbers for you, and I will show you that both times it comes out correct. So the first one I'll do is, say x equals 2. So I do 2 times 2 plus 10 equals 2 times 2 plus 5. That gives me 7 times 2, which is 14. That gives me 4 plus 10. 14 equals 14. Check. Now the other number, and I am just picking these randomly, I'll do, let's say -3. So if x equals -3, 2 times -3 plus 10 equals 2 times -3 plus 5. That gives me 2 times 2, which is 4. That gives me 6 plus 10, so 4 equals 4. Check. And that is how you do an infinite solution problem. Right? No matter what, you're always going to get the same thing at the end. Plug any number into this equation, and you're going to get an answer out. All right? No solution. So, no distribution this time. All I'm going to do is just subtract my coefficient with this variable from both sides. And that gives me -2 equals 4. Now, could -2 ever equal 4? No, it is impossible. All right? So that's when you get a no solution. Now, for these two, always go back and check your work. Whenever I teach this, I always have students, and I just recently taught this, and I told the students that, and they started doing what I'm about to tell you. They did the equation wrong, and they're like, oh, that's a no solution. No, it's not. You did the equation wrong. So go back and check it. Don't automatically think it's a no solution or infinite solution. Always double check on these problems and make sure it's correct. It'll save you a lot of time, and it will increase your grade just by double checking it. Because a simple thing like moving this over. So if I did -5 and I said, oh, I'm just gonna add 5 over, then you get 10x and that gives you a 1 solution. Right? Something like that. Just make sure you always double check to make sure it's a no solution or an infinite solution. Alright, and here, this is just your regular 2-step equation. And there you go. That's your answer. And that is your 3 special cases that you're gonna deal with when it comes to equations. Infinite solution, no solution, and 1 solution. I hope you understand this, and good luck.